Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X4 key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a new CR2032 battery, which is a common coin cell type. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver ready. Make sure you are in a well-lit area to clearly see the small components. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button, usually on the side of the fob, and press it. This will allow you to slide out the mechanical key. Once the key is out, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the key fob cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully snap the key fob cover back into place, ensuring all edges are securely sealed. Then, reinsert the mechanical key until it clicks firmly. Once everything is back together, test all the key's functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.